Most AI tools can solve a problem. But can they teach you how to solve it? Most AI tools generate an answer. AnswerStep generates a learning flow. A flow can be studied, improved, forked, and shared. Over time, one problem can grow into many ways of thinking. Let's start with a problem that can be solved in more than one way. Find the sum of the integers from 1 to 100. Open Create Problem, then enter a title and the question text. Generate a learning flow with AI assistance. An AI-generated flow appears in seconds, ready to run, fork, and improve. This is where every solution path in the demo begins. Instead of revealing the answer immediately, AnswerStep guides learners step by step through a flow. Open the flow and tap Run to begin. The first hint introduces the pairing method by matching numbers from opposite ends of the list. The learner answers a question and moves to the next step. The explanation shows why each pair sums to 101. The flow keeps going without jumping to the final answer. Active thinking, not passive watching. What if there is another way to solve the same problem? Fork any flow and build your own version. We open the pairing flow, tap Fork, and create a copy. The new flow can follow a completely different line of reasoning. Here we use the arithmetic series formula instead of pairing. The new flow is saved alongside the original. One problem, two ways to think about it. AI can generate a flow in seconds, but great learning content comes from review and improvement. Here, we import an improved version of the flow. Open the forked flow, import the updated JSON, and confirm the changes. The revised flow includes clearer explanations, additional hints, and more reasoning steps. Run the flow to see the improvements in action. The final summary shows a flow that's easier to understand and easier to learn from. That's AI speed with human quality. Don't just get answers. Build better ways to learn. Create, improve, and share learning flows. Start your first flow today at AnswerStep.com.